are gone, mental gone, my career gone.
Yes.
Hello, Unengineers, and welcome to the 26th episode of the Unengineer podcast. We have an extra guest today, जो शायद आज ही रहेगी, we never know, depending on her performance today. But we are going to talk about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and how they are changing the world of digital art and cryptocurrency. Crypto, basically, not cryptocurrency.
By the way, this is Akshita.
That's Akshita. She's our third co-founder.
Guys.
Yeah, she's here.
She's camera conscious.
That's it.
Yes.
That's it. So why we're talking about NFTs, right? I'll just give you some stats.
Sell some.
Yeah, because we hopefully want to sell some in the future or as soon as possible because they're in it's a bubble right now, right? A lot of people are paying a lot of money for NFTs. A musician that I used to follow a couple years back, Ilau, he sold digital music assets for $11 million, and yeah, I wrote it in the article. So he earned $11 million over a weekend selling basically merch, digital merch in the form of NFTs. Beeple, everybody knows.
Beeple is the reason
It's boom.
Pura
It's
world
boom, basically.
is talking about NFTs because it was a compilation of art and it got sold for $69 million.
Nice.
Actually, it's for $16 million. $9 million is just a tax.
Tax.
That the site is taking.
So like.
So what are NFTs actually? NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens.
Yes.
It means that each one of them is unique and can't be replaced. It's the opposite of fungible basically. Our notes are fungible. So
if
2 10 rupee notes are equal to 1 20 rupee note. Just like 2 20 rupee notes have the same value even though they are different notes per se. But with non-fungible tokens, each one of them is unique and has its own value depending upon what art it represents. So
no, the value depends upon public perception.
Auction.
That is what art ka value will be, right?
Yeah.
Like Mona Lisa का अगर NFT बना, it will be more valuable than मेरे भाई का जो कचरा बनाता है.
Fair enough.
हाँ.
Yeah, because
Who's selling it?
Fair enough. To a certain extent, that's true. I mean, not all NFT is valuable. NFTs, again, I mentioned it. The value of an NFT is based on public perception. So people ने जो Nyan Cat का GIF बनाया था, he made it in 2011. He didn't make it in 2011. It got first public in 2011. And over the course of 10 years, it's gone so popular. But he sold it as an NFT, and it got sold for like $6 million. So that's where the value of an NFT comes from. It comes from, first of all, public perception. Second of all, scarcity. These are the main two factors that affect.
Because there is only one of each NFT.
Yeah.
Technically.
Correct. Technically.
By physics.
Yes. And how there is only one of an NFT, for example, like can I? So तुम लोग बोले कि भाई Nyan Cat का तो GIF मेरे phone में. Basically, what people did was he took the original file that he had of the GIF. He went to the Ethereum blockchain and he registered it on the blockchain. And in return, the blockchain gives his registration a unique code, right? His file has a unique code attached to it.
That's a non-fungible token.
Yeah, and that what makes any digital asset, any picture, video, that's what makes it an NFT. That's what makes it non-fungible. You can't exchange this video for another video because there's only one of this. And it's registered on the blockchain. And as you guys know, if you guys don't know, the blockchain is not controlled by anybody. It's like a public record. Everybody can see that this video, this GIF is owned by people because it has a unique ID.
And the thing is, it can't be stolen. So if you buy physical art, you keep it in your house or you keep it in some locker, there is a chance someone may break into the locker.
Correct.
But here, the painting is not kept in the locker. The painting can be replicated, can be duplicated.
Yeah.
It's just the fact that on the blockchain, it's written user 0x owns this NFT.
Yeah, correct.
So no one can change that. I mean, people can change that. There are ways.
I don't know how. Like, I can put it again.
So that is one of the doubts that we couldn't solve.
Also, the reason why we needed someone like Akshita on the episode. She had some legit doubts.
How do you verify the first ownership?
Yeah.
By the nature of the blockchain, people are kept anonymous. You don't. Actually, we don't know who bought the Beeple painting. It is just known that it will be kept in a museum. It's a virtual museum, and it was bought for that.
Yeah.
But there is no way to verify if I'm the first author, basically.
Correct.
How
so,
do I verify this is me who's putting up the painting? I could just steal the painting from someone, like taking their GIF
Yeah.
and putting it up on the internet as mine. So I feel that is one of the
Challenges.
Questions and challenges. How do you solve that? Do you verify every painting, and how do you verify a JPEG? I don't know that. And how do you verify cross blockchain paintings,
NFTs.
digital art or jo bhi? Because a video that is on this blockchain is not registered on the other blockchain, so you can technically sell it twice. And so how do you fix all these questions? There should be one centralized blockchain.
Like how YouTube fixes our copyright stuff.
But it is not perfect, right? And it is not it is fine if that's not perfect, because there is no inherent money attached. Like okay, $10-20 का होगा, जितना भी वो YouTube video का cost है वो होगा.
Yeah.
But if there are
But yeah.
millions of dollars at stake, so they have to be almost 99.9% sure, 98, 97 कुछ नहीं चलेगा.
Fair point.
So how do you do that? That is one of a question. If you figure it out, put it in the comments, obviously.
हम अनइंजीनियर मतलब ये नहीं सब कुछ पता है हमको. तुम लोग भी कुछ बताओ, ठीक है? But yeah, so far what we know about NFTs, what we discussed is that they are non-fungible. You can't exchange them for anything. They can be literally anything as long as it's digital. And you can like put it on the blockchain. So the first ever tweet on Twitter is being sold by Jack Dorsey, who's the CEO of Twitter.
I think he sold it, right, for 2.5 million.
He already sold it for 2.5. No, that's the highest bid. That's what he said. The highest latest bid, he said, 2.5 million.
Achha, oh,
Yeah.
The auction is not over yet.
I don't know. So yeah, you can sell tweets on the blockchain because
I think
it's digital.
So basically, if you're looking for something to invest in right now, NFTs.
nahi,
Yeah, it
bubble hai.
Nah, it's a high risk, high reward
high risk.
investment.
Obviously, it's high risk, but then
It's like
who
this.
knew?
वो जैसे Psychology of Money में लिखा था कि
Yeah.
you buy multiple paintings and most of them flop. But वो एक या दो
हाँ.
paintings रहता है which have a 50-60x return, so they cover the losses for the
So
effort.
that's
the
the
other
point.
ones,
Now, while
that's
you
true.
invest, to invest in various things like in stocks and then in
Correct.
real estate or maybe
Correct,
this.
correct.
So
But I don't know.
NFTs is a nice place.
It's that
Like maybe upload, do anything.
For people who have.
get in.
Oh, that's what you're saying.
Yeah,
Ah,
get
That's
into it.
interesting.
Get into it.
That's interesting. Yeah, I
I
agree.
guess
I agree.
This is not investment advice, by the way.
Yeah, yeah, we're legally
हम लोग
mandated to
हमारे
say
episode में
that.
बोलना क्यों पड़ता है?
I don't know why.
Exactly, तुम लोग क्या कर
Why are we giving?
ये financial podcast क्यों बन रहा है?
रहे हो? खुद कमाना दूसरे को क्यों बताना?
But yeah, if you're a digital art, it's a great time to be digital artist is because normal artist का painting बिकता था इसमें, but digital artist का painting they could print it sure then lose all its value. But the
Exactly.
only way to buy it was
Monetize
some
it.
wallpaper or something, like it was really
Yeah.
cheap.
Like,
But NFTs
People
give you a
could get
chance
it.
of that originality.
Absolutely.
Because digital में copying stuff is really easy.
हाँ.
But that originality that
that
NFT
stamp of
brings,
originality
हाँ.
that the blockchain gives you, basically.
And it's a lot of
It
bragging
is-
rights, as you said, right? कि if I
It's a
own a
collection thing.
हाँ,
Absolutely. Now,
People
अगर मेरे पास अगर मैंने खरीदा बीपल का $6 million के लिए, मैं अपने दोस्तों को बताऊंगा, गो देख मेरा कितना बड़ा है वैसा, ठीक है?
It's like if you
Bank
buy
account
a
हुआ.
painting, it's like it's that
हाँ.
And you can
the
buy a
original painting.
one way that can earn a lot of money is you buy painting from various sources and create a collection and then sell the collection. A collection, since you control the.
Correct.
If you have a collection, you own 100% of that market technically.
Correct,
So you can
correct.
put it for any.
That's a
price.
good idea. You're giving them ideas, man. Stop giving them ideas.
मेरे पास कहाँ मिला? I'm pretty sure जो ये देख रहा है किसके पास मिला के 6.5 million.
Fair enough. But my example भी so क्या बोलते हैं? Taking forward the point जो अद्वैत ने बोला कि for ever since digital art got mainstream, it's been like digital art is very mainstream, but उसका monetization अब तक mainstream नहीं हुआ है. Like it's very very difficult for people to earn or make any sort of livelihood from digital art, right? So NFTs, I'm really happy for digital artists because I mean उनका भी livelihood बन रहा है उससे, and I hope it becomes like a mainstay for artists to sell NFTs. I'll give you Beeple का example देता हूँ. Beeple has been making one artwork every day for the past 5,000 days, 13 years basically, and he for free, right? Every one of his artworks was free. You could use it in your project. It had a Creative Commons license. I wouldn't say कि जो people ने किया that was a product of luck. He had been working towards this for 13 years and it was kinda inevitable that someday he would hit a gold mine that he did.
It was
Started
a
where
numbers
he
game.
started
It
and
wasn't-
It was very risky.
Absolutely,
It was,
absolutely.
he didn't know. Okay.
Yeah, and people have been using his artwork everywhere. That's why he's so popular, right? Because he has an entire community behind him.
Exactly.
He has a community.
And he has been feeding that community for the past
For
13
years,
every
yeah.
day.
I mean, for free, by the way. For free, right? So it's high time that he got a return on that 13-year-long investment. So I fully support him. He like
But
deserves.
that's a one-off story, right?
That's a one-off story. I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
I wouldn't say every artist gained that. But there are a lot of artists making good money. Like Visualize Value का है. He sells
Yeah.
all his art as NFT.
Yeah, NFT. Yeah.
And उसका कल रात को 2
Brain
hours
वाला वो.
हाँ, Brain वाला वो 2 hours में बिक गया था. I saw the tweet. For how much? Around $12,000 या कुछ ऐसा.
Easy.
So it's not that हर एक ये ऐसा and 69 million is a big amount. It's the third highest paid for an
Art
artwork.
ever in
Art, not even digital art, just art.
in the history of art. Third highest paid.
Although
Insane,
now
man.
I feel all those famous people they get to sell a lot of stuff because
Yeah.
you know people
Logan
are gonna
Paul.
value it.
Yeah, correct.
Logan
He's
Paul
selling
sold
it.
his Logan Paul created his NFT Pokemon cards जैसा and he sold it for a lot of amount of money.
Exactly, because he has that following thing.
Yeah, he has the community. He has the resources
it's like
basically
autograph, photograph.
to do it.
uh,
Correct.
Backstage passes. Now
Yeah.
this,
It's a
people
new-
found
it's
a new way,
art.
a lockdown
But
way.
the reason it's getting so much press and money is because people value it a lot.
True.
And I don't know,
Everything.
art मेरे को कभी समझा नहीं कि why would someone buy painting for this? I don't know. I
Fair
never
enough.
got it. Please photocopy करके frame के अंदर डाल दो glass के पीछे, किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा.
Exactly. Na.
That
What
is
do you
not
think?
artist, no.
What do you think? What do you think a 10 rupee note is? It's a
It's just
thin layer of cotton and like fibers, right? But its public perception is scarcity, as I mentioned.
I mean, and people who have money. They
Yeah,
spend
if
on
7
stuff
billion
like this,
people
no?
think,
Plus, it's like
It's an investment.
Okay,
It's an
so why people
investment.
buy it? Yeah,
I mean,
because
you buy stocks as well, and you're
Yeah.
saying that you don't understand
yeah,
art.
exactly.
but stop.
Checkmate. The pan. Lol. Go ahead.
So what I'm saying is, it's not that this is. I think it's a bubble,
Yeah, it
but
is a
it
bubble.
won't
Like,
damage
it
a lot of people
depends.
because जिसने वो खरीदा है वो 69 million का, he has other ये to generate and pay for that 69 million.
Yeah.
One of them is he's gonna resell it in the future when it's gonna cost even more. He has made history right now, right?
Correct.
कि वो third highest ये था art था.
Art का owner है वो.
हाँ art का
Come
owner
on,
है.
man.
So he has made so much buzz around it कि उसका price बढ़ेगा ही. थोड़ा बीच में कट जाएगा but बाद में after like 10
In the
or
long
15
term,
years,
yeah.
वो हो जाए. And I think it's gonna go in a virtual museum. I read it somewhere कि Meta Universe का एक virtual museum है, वहाँ भी जाना. It's gonna stay there. So I think there's gonna be an entry pass or something like that to enter that virtual museum. So it's a constant stream of revenue.
Yeah.
And since he has got so much press हर जगह से कि an NFT sold for this much,
People will come to
it's
see
gonna
it.
sell
Come to
itself.
see it.
हाँ. So
For sure.
I'm pretty
Makes sense.
it's a smart person behind it. It's not some stupid
Yeah.
kid buying stuff.
And even if it is, he probably thought out.
Huh.
I'm pretty sure he's not risking anything. Like he has, like the 6-9 million were dispensable for him. Don't worry.
Coming back to the real use of NFTs. So this is currently a luxury product.
Yeah.
Buying paintings, digital art,
True.
tweets and stuff.
True.
But there are actual uses of NFTs and it's basically stocks per
Yeah.
se.
If
I
you,
like that idea, the
Why?
subscription one.
Yeah.
Like you have a YouTube channel, you make 100 tokens or 100 whatever,
NFTs.
yeah, NFTs, and you sell it to people, and now it is worth like after you gain some
subscribers
subscribers,
and
and
stuff.
you know your YouTube channel grows, then it is worth a lot. So
Yeah.
it's like stocks for
But it's like subscription service. अगर मैं subscription मेरा 100 पे limit कर दूँ कि this pack is full, it's technically an NFT, right? Just people can't resell it.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I
people
think
can
that
resell it,
that's where the
yeah.
value comes from. People reselling it.
So I guess that's yeah.
no one
And
is
again-
subscribed to it. Then what?
And again, you are since if you throw anything out to public perception, if you make an NFT, the value of the NFT is based on public perception, है ना? ऐसा नहीं कि तेरा सब्सक्राइबर काउंट बढ़ रहा है, तेरा NFT का वैल्यू अपने आप बढ़ रहा है, नहीं. that is public perception कि अभी ये NFT का value ये हो गया. So you always play like a very risky game with it. It can go up, public perception can go down. ठीक है? And if you want to be safe, you set the values.
It's
But if you want like a high risk, high reward kind of scenario,
Like
you open it up to the public. That's it. So it's up to you.
But I would really, I don't know.
That's a very interesting
I haven't
concept.
ever explored art,
Hmm.
but I would really like even if there is some money to be made in it, I would explore it.
Yeah.
Art
Same.
is-
No, it's not like you have to make some mind-blowing stuff. People selling
कचरा बिक
anything.
रहा है।
Damn.
वो साइबर ट्रक देखा?
Yeah, exactly.
हाँ, वो क्या था?
So yeah.
वो देख के I'm like, ये करियर बस हो गया कोडिंग वाला। मैं कहा क्लीन कोड लिख रहा है क्लीन आर्किटेक्चर के साथ, मैं जा रहा पेंटिंग
Exactly.
बनाने।
I mean,
Because you have to gain that reputation.
हाँ, it's all a reputation thing. But okay, the actual world usage of NFTs after this bubble is burst and stuff.
yeah.
कि
Yeah.
housing में कि if you buy a house you get a token attached to it. So when no one technically steals the house, two houses get stolen.
Property papers get lost. They get
हाँ,
burnt. They
exactly.
get damaged.
So, वो
They
एक
get
है।
forged signs.
I can't wait for NFTs to get in the actual world thingy.
Mainstream.
Mainstream ki we are using it every day. For example, if you buy a house, you actually get an NFT of that house, and it's written in blockchain ki this house is owned by this
NFT
user.
title deed kind of
Yeah, so that's eliminating the cost. Basically anything that is
decentralized.
decentralized तो एक है, but anything that is unique. This house is unique. It's attached to me. So how do we prove it publicly कि this house is mine instead of having a governing body?
हाँ,
centrally.
बराबर.
So you can have the NFT for that. Basically, any unique ID application जो भी है NFT can use.
Absolutely. Any place where you need to attribute something to a certain person, that's where NFTs can be
People
used.
usually don't understand what blockchain is.
हाँ.
अरे
That.
तो मत देख.
हाँ, वही.
Non-tech people don't understand.
Look, we
what
have-
blockchain-
we
because
have
my
time,
brother
so let's
always
do
keeps
that.
asking me,
हाँ,
keeps
क्या?
on asking
So-
me, कि, what is blockchain? What is blockchain?
अरे
Yeah. Even I couldn't explain that in the LinkedIn post कुछ जगह नहीं था.
अरे यार.
इसलिए मैं link डाल दिया बीच में comment.
Sure. The way blockchain works is there is a ledger. It's a very big file which has all the public written info on it. And the way the ledger is edited is multiple people submit a proof of work and then it gets edited. So you can't edit. Basically, जो edits रहता है ना, that must be approved by maximum amount of
The
people.
entire community.
हाँ, entire community. So if you want to actually, the reason blockchain seems unhackable, it is hackable by the way, is because to hack it you'll have to control 51% of the
Yeah.
computers.
Yeah.
So if 49% say कि नहीं ये गलत है and 51 say yes, the 51% का yes will be
Will win.
and it will change.
वैसा है.
It has actually happened. It's called the 51% attack.
100%. तू बोला
So
ये.
one of
ऐसे.
those attacks happened, I think. Well, it was rare, but the reason it's so rare and it seems impossible. See, hacking anything is possible. So we are just battling the odds.
Yeah,
The
correct.
odds of hacking something are so less that it's not
Doesn't
a problem
happen.
anymore.
Yeah.
So this is how in a short way a blockchain works. So there is a public file. If you do a transaction, what is actually banking? Banking is just
Correct.
numbers.
Changing numbers. Yeah.
हाँ. So if 51% of the community, that is a minimum. That's the majority agree on, minimum majority that agree on. कि ये transaction हुआ था. So it gets written in the ledger and
Yeah.
वो transaction हुआ.
So blockchain is literally just a very long Excel file. That's it. That's it. Where the community agrees that a certain transaction has taken place.
But then how do they agree?
So that's what Bitcoin miners do. They agree on transactions, and in return
वो
they get
हमने
Bitcoin.
किया है podcast.
वो हम लोगों ने
We'll
किया है
link to
podcast.
that Bitcoin
Yeah, we'll
podcast
link-
and how it's calculated.
Yeah.
हर एक transaction and
We've gone into depth of Bitcoin and
why
blockchain.
Okay, see, when I did that podcast, क्या हुआ?
I didn't watch it all.
नहीं तो कोई याद नहीं होगा.
It's okay, इतना साल 26 हो गया. At this point हमें भी पता नहीं. हम भी YouTube चैनल पे जाके देखते हैं कौन सा वाला.
हाँ वही.
तो okay नहीं. So in that podcast, remember we said कि the reason it's a environmental problem is because you have to submit proof of work.
Yeah.
So you're just guessing numbers at that point.
Yes.
कि कौन सा वाला hit करेगा and you will get the, it's like lottery. You keep guessing numbers until you get the right one. It explains वो इधर link कर देंगे right top right.
हाँ, yes.
जो भी है. कौन upload कर रहा है?
So
link करना
chill
याद
chill
रखना.
chill. So
हाँ.
हाँ.
अरे एक सेकंड मेरे को खत्म करने दो.
हाँ.
So that is, since you're guessing numbers, you're technically wasting CPU power, which translates to carbon dioxide emissions in some way. But the thing is, when you have the actual banking system, उनका servers भी कर रहा है. They have to transport gold, so
Correct.
जो cars emit कर रहा है.
Correct.
Once you everything is crypto, the physical emissions वाला part comes. So I have not actually calculated कि क्या ज़्यादा होगा.
No, it's okay. No need. It's substantial enough. That's what we know.
हाँ,
It's
just
quite
that
substantial.
कचरा होगा.
Yeah. हाँ, मैं वही बोल रहा था कि so to sum up how the transaction takes place कि people agree to the transaction by mining Bitcoin, and the more CPU or GPU power you have, the more chances you have of being a part of the transaction. And if you are a part of the transaction, you get Bitcoin in return as a reward.
It's
Yeah.
legit mining की.
Yeah, it's legit mining.
You
तुम जितना ज़्यादा जोर से हाँ
gold निकल out of, it's not out of nowhere, but
हाँ.
Bitcoin के case में it's out of nowhere.
हाँ, and जितना ज़्यादा resources तुम डालोगे उतना ज़्यादा तुम्हारा emissions होता है while extracting gold.
हाँ.
So
And it gets harder and harder because
हाँ,
Bitcoin का एक limit है. You
हाँ.
can't create unlimited Bitcoin.
I think it's 21 million, right?
Bitcoins ना.
It is 21 million.
तो
So
एक point के बाद you will only, I guess एक point के बाद your only source of income will be the
Exchange.
tax जो कटता है हर transaction पे. There is some tax.
yeah.
So there are
Yeah,
two
correct,
ways of
correct,
income
correct.
right now.
हाँ.
तो बाद में when all the bitcoins are mined and
Yeah.
difficulty hard होते जाएगा,
hmm.
so the number of people mining will be less. And so finally there will be there will be a certain centralized community which is mining, a niche community, and the only reason they are mining is because I think this will be state backed, because if China
State
controls
backed.
51% of the US will be कि like हम लोग को भी करो.
Correct.
But state backed से I didn't mean कि government specifically. These can be people who are worried कि दूसरे country में ज़्यादा processing हो रहा है, so let's boost our
Hmm.
So that will be one of the incentives, and
Correct.
the other will be the transaction cut which you get tax ही बोलते हैं.
Yeah, taxi बोलते हैं उसको. But yeah, that's a very interesting concept. I came across this fact. I think the exact stat was 2% of the people in the world own 97% of the Bitcoin that exists. So that's a very huge concentration in one place, which kind of makes it centralized in a way. But yeah, when this monopoly breaks, it'll be way more decentralized. So yeah, that's
But हम
how.
लोग topic से भटक गए.
नहीं वो मैं बोल रहा हूँ that's how emissions come into place. तुम जितना ज़्यादा energy use करोगे उतना ज़्यादा emissions, उतना ज़्यादा harm to the environment होता है basically. That's because NFTs are a transaction, and transaction approve करने के लिए people use GPUs, CPUs, electricity, and they emit into the atmosphere.
And NFT transactions are क्या बोलते हैं, carbon heavy. I guess
Carbon
they-
heavy, they're
because
very
there is
carbon
a lot
heavy.
of processing
Yes.
involved. And so in early 2021, a German conceptual artist auctioned a single transparent pixel for 1 ether, thereby emitting 125 kilograms of carbon dioxide.
1 ether, man. So
एक pixel के लिए.
man, so 1 ether is basically Ethereum, which is a cryptocurrency. Don't worry
अभी का
about
price I
that.
think it's कितना है?
$4,000, $3,000. I have no clue.
We didn't talk about Ethereum.
Don't need to. It's a cryptocurrency just like Bitcoin.
That's what's
1,800.
1,000. Okay. So yeah.
Ethereum का ये नहीं आता क्या?
क्या नहीं आता?
Google पे directly नहीं आता. I had to go to some random website. So I don't know the credibility of it. But हाँ कि we have to figure out this carbon. Okay हाँ. So I think this came in news. Like मैंने आज ही देखा, and Ethereum is shifting to proof of something else. I don't know exactly.
Okay.
But अभी proof of
Work लगता है अभी,
हाँ.
yeah.
So you have to guess numbers and stuff.
Yeah.
And then they are switching to something more environment friendly.
Environment friendly. That's good.
But all the miners are so pissed because वो लोग का इतना
Investment
waste
गया
जाएगा.
है, yeah.
कि how it's done. But it's for the greater good, I guess.
हाँ.
But वो लोग protest तो शुरू कर रहा है. The thing is, this change is gonna go effect in 2022. So इसका immediate कुछ नहीं आएगा. But the gamers are happy कि उनका graphics card बच जाएगा. वो तो क्या mess हो गया यार graphics card वाला.
Seriously, I think this has been the year with the most problems when it comes to
But
gaming.
that's because of silicon shortage and ये
हाँ,
साथ में आया. It's
silicon
like
shortage
the
भी
worst
हुआ
of
है.
both worlds.
Seriously,
coming
yeah,
together.
that's true. Silicon का shortage है ये बार. But yes, that's been episode number 26. I hope we didn't miss out anything. Most probably, जब तक हम ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं तब कुछ नया डेवलपमेंट हो गया होगा NFTs के वर्ल्ड में. That's how
Yeah, it's going so fast.
Yeah, I know, right? It's insane. But yeah, if you want to stay up to date with NFT news, you can subscribe to. We watched this Cold Fusion, very interesting. You can go check that out on NFTs. And if you find this episode interesting and informative, and if you have an artist friend that you want to get into NFTs, share this video with them. Tell them that it's a great lucrative opportunity. Even if they earn like $2 off it,
It's still something.
it's still something. Just get into it. Alright? For more additional information on a lot of other things, you can follow us on Instagram. We're posting every week. Every week we're posting there on our Instagram.
Each channel.
On each channel.
channel.
Instagram.
Every day we are posting.
Every day we are posting kuch na kuch to.
Yeah. So
Social media guy has gone
We have
crazy.
3 pages.
all the links are in the
Absolute
description.
best.
All the links are in the description. You can follow the three of us and Vedas behind the camera in the description. We'll see you hopefully soon, and we'll talk about something new that's coming up in the tech industry. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And we'll see you next episode. And until then, don't forget to get unengineered.
Bye.
Bye.